Welcome back to another tutorial. And before we get started, I just want to say make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification from us when we upload. Now I'm gonna show you how to clean the C drive. You can go ahead and open up my computer or this PC. You can use this PC on the desktop or the folder, like what I click. Now you want to search for your C drive. I got mine right here. Yeah, so all you want to do is just right click and click properties. It's gonna open up the C drive, showing you how many gigabytes you got, the size of your drive. Now we want to stay on general. We want to click disk cleanup. That's what you want to click, disk cleanup. Now we're just gonna wait on it to scan and load. Might take some time depending on you. Okay, so it's load up. Disk cleanup. Now you got a list of stuff that you can tick. You can select all, or you can just manually tick what you want to clean up. You have temporary internet files. You got download files. You got and you got temporary files, recycle bins, downloads. Now I'm just gonna click recycle bins and just leave it as default, and I'm just gonna go with OK and let it clean. You can manually click what you want, maybe download and other stuff. And yes, click delete files, and it will start to clean. And you see, mine wasn't a lot, it was not huge, so it's gonna be fast. And that's how you do this cleanup. Now there is many ways you can also do it. Now let's go back into this cleanup again. Let it load. And what we can do is just, as I said, you can just search and click what you want to click. And yeah, but we're gonna go to system files cleanup. Yeah, that is the more deeper cleaning up, the more deeper scanning. Okay, so we got system files. Basically have a list just like the regular cleanup, but you can just go down, scroll down, select what you want to clean up and just tick it and click OK, and it will delete. But I'm just gonna cancel that. And we can go also into tools, and we can choose this one, and we can also, yeah, this is gonna optimize your PC. So go ahead and click this one, let it open up, so you can analyze or optimize. This basically just optimize your PC, make it more smooth and remove any corrupt and any bad stuff that is going on with your computer that slow it down. So just click optimize and let it run. Also, you can be even smarter and just manually clean your PC. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel. and like this video and click the bell notification icon.